Microsoft Word and Apple Pages are both powerful word processors designed to create and edit documents. The core difference lies in their platform focus. Word offers broad compatibility and advanced features, while Pages emphasizes simplicity and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. Microsoft Word is a widely used word processor available on Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. It works by providing a comprehensive set of tools for document creation, editing, and formatting, supporting complex layouts, styles, and collaboration through Microsoft 365. Word's strengths lie in its versatility, offering advanced features like mail merge, extensive templates, and powerful review tools. It integrates well with other Microsoft Office apps and cloud services, making it ideal for professional environments and users who require compatibility across platforms. However, Word can be resource intensive and may feel overwhelming for users seeking a straightforward writing tool. The interface is feature-rich but can be complex for beginners. Overall, Word suits those who need robust functionality, extensive formatting options, and collaborative capabilities in diverse workflows. Apple Pages is a word processor designed exclusively for macOS and iOS devices. It operates with a clean, intuitive interface focused on ease of use and visual appeal. Pages allows users to create documents with stylish templates, seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, and real-time collaboration via iCloud. Its strengths include simplicity, smooth multimedia handling, and automatic syncing across Apple devices. Pages supports basic to moderately complex document layouts, making it perfect for personal use, education, and creative projects. Limitations include less advanced formatting tools compared to Word and limited compatibility outside Apple platforms. Users who primarily work within Apple hardware and prefer a streamlined, visually oriented writing experience will find Pages ideal. It's well suited for those who value design and ease over extensive feature sets. Microsoft Word excels in professional and cross-platform scenarios, offering powerful formatting, extensive templates, and collaboration tools ideal for business and academic work. It handles complex documents and integrates with various Microsoft services. Apple Pages shines in creative and casual settings, providing a user-friendly interface with beautiful templates and multimedia support, best for Apple users focused on design and simplicity. The trade-off is between Word's advanced capabilities and compatibility versus Pages' ease of use and Apple ecosystem integration. Users needing detail control and broad sharing options lean toward Word, while those seeking a straightforward, visually appealing tool in Apple devices prefer Pages. Choose Microsoft Word if you require advanced features, cross-platform compatibility, and professional-grade tools for complex document creation and collaboration. Apple Pages is the better choice for Apple users who want a simple, elegant word processor with seamless device syncing and creative templates. Both are excellent, but your choice depends on your platform and feature needs.